Good afternoon, folks. This is Fred Campos, owner of DFW Website Designers. It is Thursday, July the 7th, 2022. This is episode number 427 of your 3 business tips at 3 o'clock in around 3 minutes. Small business owners, solopreneurs, if you're just joining in, we are studying a series about habits, specifically from Charles Duhigg's Power of Habit, which is a great book. Today we're going to talk about changing habits. Don't substitute and replace the routine. Now, small business owners, when we think about habits, the most important thing we think about is stopping bad habits and increasing good habits. And what we've learned from previous episodes that we talked about from Power of Habit is that habits are based on cues, routine, and rewards, which we talked about last episode. Well, they get embedded into the point that your brain doesn't even have to think about it or spend brain power on it. It just becomes part of the routine through time. It's reinforced over and over and over. So, business tip number 1 is that you're not going to stop bad habits. You're saying, what, Fred? I thought the whole purpose of this 3-minute video was to talk about stopping bad habits. Well, what we've learned is they become so innate into your system that you're going to want to do something else with it. When that is business tip number 2, you're going to want to substitute that habit, at least a part of that habit, without breaking it. Let me give you an example, a scenario. Let's say that I am a person that goes to Starbucks every single day, and I have a venti mocha, and I've done this for years and years and years, and then my doctor tells me that I really need to cut back on caffeine. The knee-jerk reaction would be to totally cut that out. The problem is that I would be craving that for so long because I'm already in the habit of going to Starbucks. A more practical thing would be to substitute in a decaffeinated coffee, but still keep the habit. That's what I mean by substitution. Business tip number 3 is the semantics of this is you are replacing one of those routines that we talked about yesterday. Remember, cue, routine, reward? So you can keep the habit, but you want to change the habit. See, if you have a bad habit, you don't want to get rid of it, you just want to change it. This is a profound idea that's mentioned in this book. I highly recommend this book. I think Charles Duhigg has done a great job of it. That's what I'm learning this week. Anything I learn, I throw over the fence to you because I want you guys to be awesome and I want you guys to have good business habits as well. Now go back to sleep.